Alright guys, so I'm checking in. We just ate. I'm on the way home. It's a long drive, 110 miles, 2 hours. So once I'm home, I'm gonna check in with you guys again, and hopefully this car can make it, no problems. Alright guys, so we made an hour worth of drive already. 1 more hour to go. So far so good, so let's keep going. What's up guys, welcome back to a brand new video. As you guys can see, I'm here with the black Z3 today. This is mine. I've actually sold the green one, the 2.8, and the reason I sold it is because that car had 172,000 miles on it and it needed a lot of work, and honestly I wasn't really trying to have a project that was that big. But today we are up here in the Zuza Canyon. We have Alif in the Z60. Just driving around. This car already has a muffler delete. Probably gonna give you guys a POV soon. Alright guys, so from the title you probably already see that I bought the cheapest Z3 in America. Why I say the cheapest is because of how many miles this car has and how much I paid for it. I don't know if I'm gonna disclose it yet, how much I paid for it, but it was pretty cheap. It only has 64,000 miles on it, and as you guys can look it up on Auto Trader or Doug Dumero's Cars and Bid, or Bring a Trailer. The similar cars with the 3.3 liter engine and the 5-speed goes for a good healthy $10,000 to $12,000. Some go for even more. But as you guys can see, this car is not in pristine condition. Yes, it has low mileage and it has been taken care of. I think I'm the 4th owner, and the last owner only drove like 5,000 miles in like 5 years, and yeah, it's been sitting for a long time now. But anyways, I've been driving this a lot. It's a lot of fun. I'm gonna take you guys around the car and show you what this car is equipped with and what it has. And let me show you the most important bit here, which is back here. And that's the 3.0. This is an M54 B30. E46s actually come with this engine. This is the second fastest engine you can buy other than the M cars, which is a S52 I think. So I'm gonna show you guys around the car, and I'm gonna tell you guys what I like and what I don't like. So let's start from here. This is a LCI body style. Any Z3 after 2000 had the LCI body style. The pre-LCIs actually had the same bulge, but it looked more wide body kind of. This one's the same size, it just looks different. I wouldn't say it was really a facelift, but more like a butt lift. Alright, so you guys can already see it's a convertible Roadster. This car does have sports package, so it came with Style 42s. These are BBS 2 pieces. Pretty cool. I don't know how long I'm going to run them, but I really like them. And then we walk to the side. Cool fins, I really like that. And on the front, to be honest, the front is pretty same like the last Z3. I don't really see too much difference. Maybe the headlight looks a little different to me, but that's pretty much it. But guys, walking around the car from the condition, you guys can kind of tell why I paid less than the market. And especially in COVID times, the market's crazy. But yeah, I paid a really good price. The one thing which really bothers me is the interior. I'm not a big fan of beige interiors or the color beige in general, but for the price and for the packages this car comes with, I couldn't really say no. And my favorite things about this car is that it has LSD, manual, and the bigger engine, more power. So now I'm gonna tell you guys why this car was so cheap, right? Panel gap right here, dust, Now, at first glance, I assumed the car crashed, but we actually looked up the Carfax and there were no crashes. There was something minor, but it was at the top, front left. And also the owner told us that this car has always been good, no crashes, none of that. And he says it's just alignment issues. So we're gonna try to address that. As you guys can see, paint inside super clean. A little rust here because of the panel gap and extra water getting in. That looks like surface rust. Should be easy to fix that. Paint peeling from inside. I don't care about all that. Paint's dirty, but it's actually in kind of good condition, except a few spots. First here in the left rear quarter panel, right, the paint is chipping away. This car was sitting under the sun for 5 years, so damage here. If you move to the front, faded headlights, that's an easy fix. We could do that in a couple of hours. I don't know what the hell that is, but it's there. That one looks like I could polish it off. Damage here, paint damage. This bumper probably definitely needs to be repainted. And the biggest flaw you guys can see here is the hood. I don't know if this can be revived, but this looks pretty bad. Clear coat's gone, paint's gone, white spots. I don't know if I'm even gonna try and fix all that. Probably just gonna repaint it or wrap it. We'll see about that later. But yeah, summer tires, 17 inches. And guys, like I said, I've been loving driving this car. I try to drive it every day actually, and take it to the gym and just go on useless drives and waste money and gas, but it's worth it. So yeah guys, 2001 Z3. This is a new car for the channel and we're gonna be building it. And hopefully you guys are gonna enjoy the content and watch them. And also I want to thank everyone who subscribed to my channel. I know I'm not uploading regularly, but I appreciate all of you. More F10 content coming, and obviously the Z3, so stay tuned. I'm gonna try my best to post a POV soon with the exhaust. I work 40 hours now and I'm gonna be going to school soon, so time is limited. But I'm gonna try my best guys, and thank you for tuning in. I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. That guy must be walking up the mountain. Super windy, lot of debris. Don't want to hit any of them. I don't know if you guys can hear it, but this car has factory burbles. It sounds good.